Literally, Roblox is too hard. Roblox is too...
Son, there's something I think you should know.
Oh, wait.
Now, I know this is a lot to take in, but I think you can handle it. You're adopted!
No!
We had to tell you at some point.
I hate Roblox!
Well, there's...
It's literally too hard!
There's more, okay?
Yo, wait, I'm literally making progress!
Me and your mother are getting a divorce.
No!